Hi, this is Jen Zheng with Vanguard Properties, your reliable San Francisco Bay Area realtor. Welcome to my newest listing at 2501 Moraga Street, San Francisco. Let's take a tour. Welcome to 2501 Moraga Street, a fully remodeled luxury residence where sophisticated design meets modern comfort, framed by iconic San Francisco views. As you enter through the striking mahogany front door, a custom circular skylight immediately sets the tone, bright, open, and thoughtfully designed throughout. This sun-filled corner home features an open kitchen, dining, and a living space, with breathtaking views of the Golden Gate Bridge and Salesforce Tower, the perfect backdrop for both entertaining and everyday living. The chef's kitchen is beautifully appointed with high-end Thermador appliances, a built-in refrigerator, and a picture window capturing additional bridge views. On the main level, you will find a stylish guest bath with European tile finishes, a primary ensuite, and a generously sized guest bedroom with partial ocean views. Downstairs offers incredible flexibility. A spacious family room with a wet bar, microcement wall, wine fridge, and folding doors that open seamlessly to a landscaped, low-maintenance backyard, ideal for outdoor dining and gatherings. Two additional bedrooms, a large bath, and a dedicated laundry closet complete the lower level. Extensive upgrades include a brand new roof, radiant heating throughout, tankless water heater, Hansgrohe fixtures, designer lighting, smart home features, and premium finishes at every turn. Located just one block from the vibrant shops and restaurants of Noriega Street, and a moment to Ocean Beach, Sunset Recreation Center, Lawton Alternative School, St. Ignatius, and public transit, this home delivers elevated sunset living at its finest. 2501 Moraga, where views, design, and location come together beautifully. Welcome home. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me. See you at my open house. Bye!